Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, we then come to hands-on very quickly. We can discuss briefly about how we load the records in a database. These are the most important aspects of RAM. We get to approach one, how they receive record and load analysis combo box. Then two, how they click this function, this button, they able to populate all the records in the Naya. Now, if I can, this don't can, then how for retrieve them? If I click this one now, it can load for me all the records in here. See them. It'll see, it'll load them for me. So this now the thing this one I will discuss. But in the discussion, I want to follow you understand say the combo box get a key area I want to explain. This now as a result of partial view. View model. View model we don't discuss them in the previous slide. And now a container with the old data. Now variable saying it get with the old data. Log with the quick and see. If you come to the application proper, you see the view model in this. You can right click there, you add you add a column, a folder. Can I wait for add folder? You see new folder. The reason why it disabled because we don't deploy their own, so nobody will access anything. After that, add the folder. You can inside there, you can add a class, just a class. So now me name and I call them view model. You can get a name, say view model. Now then I able add different classes. I can right click, I go to add, and I take this class. I give the class name combo template. The reason why I get a combo template, this button where they can play with in name combo. So I just call a combo template. After inner, if you open it, it gets two major variables in, but they all are declared as string, because I therefore put them in the form of a list. You know, say list, we don't define list, and I will go into list again. Watch the previous video. I get two variables, my ID and my value. I want like I in this one at the front end now. What can I able see the ID and the branch name now? You don't see branch name and branch ID. So now in I do now exactly. These are the branch ID, these are the name. We can now quick one for I explain. I've been copy this whole thing here and I paste them. What I mean, here na the index way and the view. The view now the design, the combo box, everything. You get the whole bulk of the what to be done do. I copy everything, I paste them. But it get one major problem where I want we know. Maybe this video learn along will make can too, but let me explain detail. If I can see what? If I paste it now, it will give me error. This is a big problem. But for let you come out from this error, make like it undo a one thing. Click number one thing. You wait for all they go. You don't see? It means you don't get now what you want originally now in this. So you go use this one step for edits. You don't see? This is a whole framework. This you able use it now for edits. But something the way very, very dangerous. Lab, I will this back here. I don't need that. When you edit, one key area, we say you see name. All area we see name, make sure that it not be the same to the one where you copy and paste. If it be the same, this for me the crash, you know, they will load. In fact, so take a look at now. What I do, I edit this one. I need a form for that combo. I get here na group one. Here I say group first na first. Here na form layout one. I say data form layout. There I change here. Then even the ID na I can put any name. Me I say load branch ID. I just put load before. This and the this one I explain. Not for that, if they get error, you know they know side error they come out. All this one maintain the same. I'm not changing nothing except the name there. I change. Here are the added things I do. What I do? I want for retrieve. I want for play with the view model and the model itself, the database itself. This is the view model. This is the database itself. I need branch from the database. So the view model, what I do? I create a list. You know, say a list. Now a group of object of the same type. If you take a look at the object already now, the view model now, the view model, see, we get string of the same type. So we can we say, you know what, give a list, because we want they all to come together at the same time, like they can. But what we do initially, now this for don't be the actual function for list. So now we'll create the instance, a new instance of then we say go to the class, for we the model in name, the view model, we'll call combo template, send an in the ola, it don't know. The same thing, go to the database, watch inside the database. This one I'll be initially telling now from the previous videos of video 15 about why we get this manner. You don't see this now the class gets a model when the parent model now, the main model. I've done discuss that. The main the model. Then create an instance of RAM. Now in this time all the tables in now the database. So any table we want, you just able to invoke this one in the getter. Exactly now we do now. So just use this. We say look for branch inside that model. Then order by descending order. Look for a field we call ID, branch ID. All the IDs are in the form of a list, and we could convert them to list. Send them for winner. So this guy don't all record in the form of a list. This don't all record in the form of a list. But one for check all the database records within the database. They record themselves not to the index but the actual objects them already. Even at 20, na 40, na 50, or whatsoever you define as ID where they. So they loop to all, we check to all. When we don't check to, what you do, we create a variable now, what I call my meal item. This variable, I say, go into the add column, the model, the view model. Now I can take from the model itself, send it to the view model. How? It can it's a take from the model itself. We have the check to now, probably the loop. Now and make I use this item. I say check to all the fields. Which field I need there? I only need add column. I only need ID. You can even change this man to any other name if you want. But I just left the default one we did. When you don't type automatically back, don't get all the records we did, the fields we did. Send the ID for me now. Yan and the name. You don't see? Send the name for me now. The way don't take all things, send them for me to this guy. Once you don't get what you do, load them for me to this guy will be the view model. The view model has temporal memory. Send them for all what you put from the database, then send them for me now to this guy, add them to this guy. Once you don't add them to this guy, what they happen next, and they can create them to fields here now. 2 columns there. Which column? This first column, this second column. You don't see? And they get a name, again what for the day. The name and what for the day. Now they can do that now. Yeah, what for the day, now in this and the ID. In name now in this first column. Then I get a width of 100. This second column. Then the name for the on top. Then the width again 380 because one long. Then from there, that combo box should all the record from the database. Data source always stand for retrieve records from the data from somewhere else and populate them. So what you do, we take and send as a data source. This guy don't hold them. So what you do now, we see what you want for what we don't define first, what you for can before and this, second and this. The value field, meaning what you mean by value field, now the actual record where the system go for check and check and compare around the database. So now I make the value field and the ID we need only. The text field, the name in just the day, but you don't get anything for do. For let the people in just identify, say, okay, 25 na Mohamed Ali, 26 na Isa. Na in only ide for, but you don't get nothing, you not take an for send an database for check for her. After we define we button. This is the button. Then the next video we can explain proper the branch. Mean the function. Look for this second video, for let the video not too long. We'll explain them. Let's see how they retrieve the record now.